My today's topic is how to type Hindi on your Android. So just watch full video. So let's start. So guys, first you have to do. First thing I want to tell you, you don't have to download any keyboard. You can do this on your current keyboard, whatever you are using this time. So don't think about downloading any keyboard because Google Keyboard is the best, and this is already installed on your mobile by default. This is on everyone's phone. So now I am going to tell you how you can add languages on your Google keyboard. So just watch full video with focus. It's really very simple. So let's start. So first you have to click on the settings tab. Here you will find additional settings and keyboards and input method, because only here you can do settings. So your default keyboard you are watching here, Gboard. This is my default. Even this is your default when you will watch. So you have to click on Gboard. So you are watching here languages, because I have already added here Hindi language, but now I am selecting only English. I am deleting this language to show you how you can add. So I deleted these languages. Okay, so now you are watching only English languages added on my keyboard, as this is on your phone. So now you have to add languages. So you just click on add keyboard. Here is a list of all languages from all over the world. So just simply if you are going to add Hindi, then you can add English. English means if you will type anything in English like aap, AAP or AP whatever, then it will come in Hindi aap, means bada A and pa. So this is English, and this is Hindi India. If you click it, then you can type as you write on paper, books and notebooks. So then you can type here Hindi as that. So guys, here are so many languages. If you know any other language and want to type, then you can add. There are so many languages. So this is really great now. You can add here any language. You don't need to download any keyboard, because all keyboard are not trustable. That can hack your data. So you just use Google keyboard only and add languages whatever you want. That's it guys. I hope you liked the video. I hope you learned, and I hope you will do it. So that's it. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.